Inverse, indirect, proportion. This type of proportion occurs when the quantities involved change inversely, i.e. when one of them increases by a certain factor, the other quantity decreases by the same factor. For example, if 20 people can do a job in 5 days, it takes 50 days to 2 workers to complete the same job. This is because decreasing the number of workers increases by the same factor the time necessary to complete the work. By definition, inverse, or indirect, proportion occurs when a decrease in one quantity or variable causes an increase by the same factor in another quantity or variable. If we continue operating with the symbols of direct proportion, we can express an inverse proportion as the following shown on screen. Or we obtain the following shown on screen. Example. A car traveling at 60 km per hour reaches the destination in 3 hours. How long does it take for the same car to reach the same destination if it travels at 20 km per hour? Solution. From physics, it is known that distance equals speed times time. Since the distance is the same, there is the same destination. This is a typical situation involving two quantities related to each other in an inversely proportional way, because any decrease in speed brings an increase in traveling time by the same factor. Thus, we have for the two situations given in the clues shown in the following on screen. Or we obtain the following shown on screen. We can write the last equation in proportion form using fractions, i.e. we have the following shown on screen. Where V1 equals 60 km per hour, T1 equals 3 hours, V2 equals 20 km per hour and T2 is to be calculated. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. Using the cross-product method described earlier, we obtain the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 4.3.5. To continue this tutorial, please watch 4.3.6, Graph of Inverse Proportion. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.